Hello everyone, hello. It is Taco Tuesday. So today I made tacos. Of course, y'all know I can't have the shells. I opted for a taco bowl. So I have some red and green butter leaf lettuce up under here with about 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 ounces of guacamole. I got some onions and peppers, and I just gave myself a tablespoon of corn. And then 6 ounces of Wagyu ground beef right here. And then this is the taco seasoning that I used. It's pretty clean. And so these are the ingredients: chili powder, sea salt, ground dates, tomato powder, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, cumin, onion flakes, cassava flour, cream of tartar, black pepper, and parsley. And this is the nutrition, the macros on it. Really low in carbs, and that would be probably for the whole pack, I would say, because I fixed a pound of ground beef. And I only took 6 ounces out of the 1 pound. But first, give us a thumbs up, y'all. Subscribe if you're not. Click that notification bell. I appreciate it. So you can pretty much find this at Target. That's where I got it from. I believe Sprout sells it too, and maybe Safeway. I also bought my daughter and son the taco shells that are pretty clean too, but I didn't bring that box up. I just bought this up so y'all can see. So if you on low paleo, keto, low carb, you can use a taco seasoning that is really clean, not bad. I also got here my Reed's ginger ale, 0 sugar and calories. This is really good. They do have a regular one as well, but y'all know I'm low carb. Try to stay off of the sugar as much as I can. Regular cane sugar anyway. These are my macros for today. So I had my coffee with my collagen. That's normally what I break my fast with. And then I had some stir-fried pork from yesterday. And so I ate that, lean protein. And now I'm just eating my dinner. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:58. So this is what my calories are for dinner. I did snack on some pistachios as well. So that's what kind of took my, pistachios are high in calorie. That's what kind of took my macros overboard. So, total carbs 53. I'm supposed to stay at like 20 total. If I hadn't ate those pistachios, I would have. But under 30 net carbs, 97 fat, 91 of 96 protein, and 1412 calories for today. So I'm pretty happy with that. I ain't took my butt back to working out, but I really do need to stop being lazy. I was just being lazy today. I went food shopping yesterday, but I think tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, I'm going to go ahead and get them 3 days of working out and stop being lazy. Saturday, I go get my hair done. And next week, Thursday is Turkey Day, Thanksgiving. How quick time flies. So I'm going to go ahead and eat my dinner before it get too cold. Again, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. How are y'all liking my food videos? I know that it's not as detailed and I'm not in the picture as some people are, but I'm cooking like 2 different meals. I have to, most stuff, because I don't eat carbs and all of that. Sometimes I'm, cooking stuff for my son. We'll have the same meat, but I cook, vegetables for the both of us, and then I'll cook a rice or fried rice or whatever for him. So I'm constantly running all over the kitchen, and it's just really hard for me to sit there and film step by step, you know, what I'm cooking with. It's easier for me to just sit here and talk to you and tell you what I use, and you just write it down. I know I follow stuff better than that, because when people do it in the videos, I have to keep stopping it and then write it down, and you know, and stuff like that. So I like it better if you're talking it, or it's in written form, honestly, myself. So yeah, this is pretty much, I've made avocado before. It's just mashed up avocado, guacamole, mashed up avocado, minced garlic, lemon juice, salt, pepper. I put Italian seasoning in it, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and pepper. I said pepper, maybe. I don't know. And I just mix it up, and you just taste it and season it according to your taste. Peppers and onions is pretty straightforward. Cut up you some peppers and onions and saute them in the pot. I use avocado oil by Chosen Foods, California Ranch, extra virgin olive oil, and I order my meat from Crowd Cow. So that's how we doing it. You can find these. This find you some low calorie, zero sugar sodas. You know, if you like sodas or you want something different than water, like myself. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Peace. Hey everybody, happy Monday. Before we get into anything, I want to just say please give me that thumbs up on the way in. Subscribe if you're not, hit that notification bell. Thank y'all for rocking with me. So tonight, Monday, I have here some pork stir fry, one of my meats from Crowd Cow. Really good pork, sliced really well for stir fry. I had beef stir fry yesterday, me and my son, and that was nice and tender as well. I wasn't able to get this back into my box because they had sold out. But basically, I put in here some baby bok choy, yellow peppers, 3 ounces of yellow pepper, 2 ounces of onion. I have these vegetables in here. I have some snow peas. It was just 1 ounce. These vegetables right here, it's some grilled vegetables that came in a pack from Sprouts. It's grilled cauliflower and corn. I can't find the cauliflower. It's somewhere in here, but I only used 4 ounces of it out of the pack. I don't know. The cauliflower is somewhere down in there. Somewhere. And then I used this stir fry sauce, but that sauce was nasty. And I tasted it before I put it on my food, thank goodness. So I barely even used a 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then what you see right here is some whole grain blend rice. It's brown rice with lentils and quinoa. I guess that's how you say it. I got it from Target. It's really good. It's one of the grains that do not, you know, spike your blood sugar like a white rice will. And it's pretty clean except for the canola oil. But other than that, you know, it's a pretty clean rice, as you can see. And it was $1.99 at Target. I used like a 1/2 cup, 4 ounces. I did measure it out right here. So it was pretty much straightforward. I used my seasonings, my sea salt, pepper, adobo, all seasoning. I cooked my meat first. Once I finished cooking that, I took it out the pan, and then I put some more, about a tablespoon avocado oil, and I seasoned and cooked my vegetables. I started off with a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger and a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. Once I let that get fragrant, I added all of the vegetables at one time, seasoned them up, and stir fried those, then threw the meat back into the pot. That's 8 ounces of pork stir fry. I did put some of my pork rind on here just to kind of give it some texture, so to say. And then I have my coffee. I hope I don't be up half of the night with that, because I put my collagen in it. So this is basically my macros for today. And this is where I'm at. So I'm happy I was under 50 net carbs, 43 or 45 fat, 83 or 96 protein, and 944 or 915 calories. I am doing that modified protein, sparing protein. I basically messed up the 2 weeks last week. I ate a bunch of junk, sweets mostly, not so much food. Well, I did eat out twice, I want to say, but the rest of the week I cooked, but I ate a lot of candy, cakes. I had soda twice, you know. It was, so I did gain some weight, but I'll drop it back off. And this week I'm gonna get strict again. I wasn't supposed to go this high on my carbs, but when I went food shopping, they did not have the rice, the miracle rice, because that's what I was supposed to put with this. And I wasn't supposed to do all of these vegetables, but I'd rather my carbs be a lot of vegetables than resistant starch foods like white rice and, you know, potatoes and stuff like that. So that is what it is. I'm gonna come back and see y'all tomorrow, and y'all be safe out there. Peace.